Hello everyone, welcome to the session. In this session, I would like to teach some important problems in the chapter compound angles. Let us see the first problem. If tan 70 minus tan 20 minus 2 tan 40 is equal to k tan theta, then k comma theta is equal to, here first option is 2 comma 10, second option is 4 comma 10, third option is 2 comma 20, fourth option is 4 comma 20. Here, according to the problem, given that tan 70 minus tan 20 degree minus 2 tan 40 degree is equal to k tan theta. K tan theta. By using the formula, if a plus b is equal to 90 degrees, then tan a minus tan b, tan a minus tan b is equal to 2 tan a minus b. Here we take a is equal to 70 degrees and b is equal to 20 degrees. Then tan 70 minus tan 20 is equal to 2 tan 70 minus 20, that is tan 50 degrees. By substituting tan 70 minus tan 20 is equal to 2 tan 50 in the equation 1. Here 1 becomes, tan 70 minus tan 20 is 2 tan 50. 2 tan 50 minus 2 tan 40 degrees is equal to k into tan theta. Taking 2 as a common, 2 into tan 50 minus tan 40 is equal to k into tan theta. Again, by applying the formula a plus b is equal to 90 degrees, then tan a minus tan b equal to 2 tan a minus b. Here we have a plus b is equal to 90 degrees. Then tan a minus tan b is equal to 2 tan a minus b. 2 tan a minus b. Here by substituting a is equal to 50 degree and b is equal to 40 degree, we have tan a is tan 50 minus tan b is 40 degrees is equal to 2 tan a minus b. A minus b is 50 minus 40, that is 10 degree. Here tan 50 minus tan 40 is 2 tan 10 degree. By substituting this in equation 2, then we have 2 into 2 tan 10 degree. 2 into 2 tan 10 degree is equal to k into tan theta, that is 4 into tan 10 degree is equal to k into tan theta. By equating, we get k is equal to 4, theta equal to 10, therefore k comma theta is equal to, here k is equal to 4, theta is 10, so k comma theta is 4 comma 10. Here the second option 4 comma 10 is the correct answer. See the next problem. In a triangle, sigma tan A equal to 6 and tan A tan B equal to 2, then tan A comma tan B comma tan C are, first option is 1 comma 2 comma 3, second option is 2 comma 4 comma 3, third option is 1 comma 2 comma 0, fourth option is 2 comma 4 comma 5. According to the given problem, given that sigma tan A is equal to 6. Treat it as equation 1. and tan A into tan B is equal to 2. Treat it as equation 2. We know that in any triangle ABC, A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degrees. We know that if A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degrees, then we have sigma tan A is equal to pi tan A. Sigma tan A equal to pi tan A. Here, given that sigma tan A is 6, by substitute sigma tan A is 6. 6 is equal to, here pi tan A is tan A, tan B, tan C. Pi tan A is tan A into tan B into tan C. From equation 2, we have tan A tan B is 2. That is 6 is equal to 2 into tan C. Here tan C is equal to 3. Tan C equal to 3. Note this as equation 3. We observing the second and third equations, that are tan A into tan B is equal to 2 and tan C is equal to 3. We get, by verification method, we get tan A is equal to 1, tan B is equal to 2, tan C is equal to 3. Here the values of tan A, tan B, tan C are 1, 2, 3. Here in the first option 1, 2, 3, the values of tan A, tan B, tan C is correct. See the next problem. If A plus B plus C is equal to pi and cos A is equal to cos B cos C, then the value of tan A in terms of tan B and tan C is. From the given data, A plus B plus C is equal to pi. A plus B plus C is equal to pi. Note this as equation 1. And cos A is equal to cos B into cos C. Cos B into cos C. Treat it as equation 2. Let us consider tan A. Tan A. Tan A is equal to sin A by cos A. Sin A by cos A. From equation 1, A plus B plus C is equal to pi, then A is equal to pi minus of B plus C. That equal to sin A. A is pi minus of B plus C. We can substitute A by pi minus B plus C by cos A. Here sin pi minus B plus C is sin B plus C by cos A by cos A. Here sin B plus C is sin B cos C plus cos B sin C. Cos B sin C whole divided by cos A. From equation 2, cos A is cos B cos C. Cos B cos C. Divide numerator with cos B into cos C. We have sin B cos C by cos B cos C plus cos B sin C by cos B cos C. Cos B cos C. Here cos C get cancelled. Here cos B get cancelled. That is equal to sin B by cos B is tan B plus sin C by cos C is tan C. Now we have tan A is equal to tan B plus tan C. Here the second option tan B plus tan C is the correct answer. Let us see the next problem. If tan theta 1 equal to k cot theta 2, then cos theta 1 minus theta 2 by cos theta 1 plus theta 2 is equal to. According to the given problem, tan theta 1 tan theta 1 is equal to k cot theta 2. We can write tan theta 1 as sin theta 1 by cos theta 1, that is equal to k into cot theta 2 is cos theta 2 by sin theta 2. By cross multiply we get sin theta 1 into sin theta 2 is equal to k into cos theta 1 into cos theta 2. We rearranging the given equation, we get cos theta 1 cos theta 2 by sin theta 1 into sin theta 2 is equal to 1 by k. We can apply the componendo and dividendo rule. That is, if a by b is equal to c by d, implies and implied by a plus b by a minus b is equal to c plus d by c minus d. Here we have cos theta 1 cos theta 2 plus sin theta 1 sin theta 2 by cos theta 1 cos theta 2 minus sin theta 1 sin theta 2 is equal to 1 plus k by 1 minus k. Here in the numerator, cos theta 1 into cos theta 2 plus sin theta 1 into sin theta 2. It is in the form of cos a minus b. Now, cos of theta 1 minus theta 2 by denominator is in the form of cos a plus b, that is cos of theta 1 plus theta 2 is equal to 1 plus k by 1 minus k. Here we have cos theta 1 minus cos theta 2 by cos theta 1 plus theta 2 equal to 1 plus k by 1 minus k. Here the first option 1 plus k by 1 minus k is the correct answer. See the next problem. If tan theta is equal to x sin theta by 1 minus x cos theta and tan alpha equal to y sin theta by 1 minus y cos theta, then x by y is equal to, then x by y equal to. According to the given problem, given that tan theta is equal to x sin alpha by 1 minus x cos alpha. Here we can write tan theta as sin theta by cos theta. Sin theta by cos theta is equal to x into sin alpha by 1 minus x cos alpha. By cross multiplying we get sin theta minus x into sin theta cos alpha is equal to x into cos theta sin alpha. Move it into right hand side, we get sin theta is equal to x into sin theta cos alpha plus x into cos theta sin alpha. Here sin theta is equal to, in the RHS, x common from these two terms, x into sin theta cos alpha plus cos theta sin alpha. Now sin theta is equal to x into, here it is in the form sin a cos b plus cos a sin b, that is the sin of a plus b, here sin of theta plus alpha. Treat it as equation 1. Next, according to the given problem, tan alpha is equal to y sin theta by 1 minus y cos theta. Sin alpha by cos alpha is equal to y sin theta by 1 minus y cos theta. By cross multiply we get sin alpha minus y sin alpha cos theta is equal to y cos alpha sin theta. Here sin alpha is equal to y sin alpha cos theta plus y cos alpha sin theta. Taking y as common from these two terms, we get y into sin alpha cos theta plus cos alpha sin theta. Sin alpha is equal to y into sin of alpha plus theta. Here treat it as equation 1, this is treat it as equation 2. Consider equation 1 by equation 2, we get sin theta by sin alpha. Sin theta by sin alpha is equal to x sin theta plus alpha by y into sin theta plus alpha. Here sin theta plus alpha get cancelled. Therefore, x by y is equal to sin theta by sin alpha. The value of x by y is sin theta by sin alpha. Here the first option is the correct answer.